In this video, we will be discussing the different features that Google Slides offers for presentations or instructional delivery. When you first get to the Google Slides website, you can see that you have your recent presentations at the bottom, and then there's a part right here that says Template Gallery. This Template Gallery gives you different options that you can edit to make your own. Another great thing is that if you search online, you can find multiple different templates that you can use and just edit here in Google Slides. I'm going to go ahead and create a blank Google document, or Google Slides, sorry, just so that way we can kind of see how some of this stuff works. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the Insert tab. This tab allows you to insert images where you can upload from your computer, or you can search the web. So we can search for, let's say, YouTube. And we just go ahead and insert that, and we can adjust it however we'd like. Another great thing is that you can add audio, and this could be audio that you've already pre-recorded, and you can get it from your drive, shared with you, or recents. You can also add video. You can do this by searching on YouTube, inserting a URL from another website or the YouTube website, or videos that you've recorded yourself and that are in your Google Drive. Another good thing is shapes. I use shapes a lot whenever I'm trying to decorate or create different features. So I would put this here, and then I like to arrange things so the order, send backward, kind of adds some depth behind your image, or sometimes I use it for adding depth behind my words, my text. You can also include charts or tables. I used to use tables when I taught math to add different pieces of data into there, and I would add questions. You can do charts. These are like your bar graphs, your line graphs, your pie charts. These can even be uploaded from Google Sheets. So like if you have a Google Sheets document that has a bunch of information in it that you created one of these graphs, you can upload it from there. And another great thing that we like to use it for is these diagrams. The diagrams allow you to be able to create visuals of information. So this one's called a hierarchy, and basically you can move it around however you'd like, and it just kind of creates a hierarchy. Picture that you could use to represent data. I could see this being really good for science. Some others are like the relationships, creating little relationship diagrams, and even cycles. So like you could use this for reading, for history, to kind of create the cycles of how things happen or worked. Another cool feature is sharing. So if you're wanting to share and have students work together and be collaborative, they could add each other on there. They could also send out the link. So I always change it to anyone with a link can either view, comment, or edit. So if it's someone and they're looking for suggestions, they could change it to commenter and send it out to get comments, and they get to choose what they accept and what they don't accept. Or if you want everyone to work together, you could do editor, which allows whoever has the link to edit the presentation as well. What's also good about this is that Google has the version history, and in the version history it allows you to see where all the edits were made and how things looked from the beginning. So say someone went in, they changed something, they can go to the version table, and so something accidentally got deleted, you go back, you click on whichever version it was, and you can restore that version. So it goes back to how it was originally. Another great thing is being able to hyperlink. You can do this by editing. There's the option right here, insert link, or if you go to insert, there's also insert link here. And what you can do with that is embed documents that you want your students to be able to see. You can embed other slides from this presentation. You could also embed videos, websites, just different activities that you want your students to be able to access. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is the add-ons. What's really, really great about Google Slides is that they have what's called add-ons. And with add-ons, you can incorporate things like the Peer Deck or Nearpod into your presentation for students to be able to access. I know Nearpod is really popular right now. If you go to our engagement section in our website, it has a lot of information about Nearpod. But that's all I have for Google Slides. Thanks for watching.